I told myself I wouldn't cry unboxing my cookbook, but the moment I opened it, tears. This book is 2 years in the making, and if I have to be honest, maybe 13 years of my career online. And maybe that's why it's so emotional, because I never thought I would get this far. I don't know how all the other authors like announce their cookbooks without tears, but I guess I can't do it. Healthy My Way, coming out this fall. Real food, real flavor, real good. Okay, let's do this again. So if I could ask any favor from you guys, is to pre-order this cookbook now. Pre-orders are extremely important. Healthy My Way is available wherever books are sold. Pre-order today.